Hello, folks. This is Mr. Tolbert's class. Let me back up a little bit here. Um, all right. Hello, folks. This is Mr. Tolbert's class biology, and this is basically just instructions on how to do the second week of assignment that we have as we go into our second week of online teaching. Week one is marked or earmarked here as week one. We are going to be working on week number two, which is the April 5th through the April 12th. So go ahead and click that particular part of the link. Okay. The first link here is basically a video. A video is basically the lecture of what you should have gotten out of the book. So, what you should have got out of the book if you went to the electronic book, this is basically a brief lecture summarizing information in that section of the book. Now, let's get to the actual assignment. So, you want to go to this assignment week, this assignment number 2, DNA, Tolbert Part 1. You're going to click onto that. All right, so as you can see when you open this up, it says copy into create in submissions and submit all. So it's a really cool little quick thing that I have you do here. You're going to click this, you're going to highlight this information from the top all the way down to the bottom where there's some questions that you're going to answer. Okay, and you're going to click in your submissions. I don't have a submissions tab, but submissions, create, similar to like we've done the other task in here. So I'm going to pretend like I've done that and I'm ready to go. And now that it's already in my submissions and create, you're going to click this link and I'll show you where it's going to take you. It takes you to a really cool little website that we're going to be using more than a couple parts of here. This DNA Interactive. The one that we're going to use today is the first link here. So all I need you to do is click on this timeline here. And the timeline, it's an interactive part here, guys. So the timeline, as you can see, is these times, and those are the times that I've asked you to copy and paste into your submissions. And you're going to talk about what happened in each one of these times, okay? Now, what I would do for sure is not just talk about what happened, but you want to go in here, you want to click where it says 20 through the 2000. Go ahead and enter those timelines. As you can see, it's going to be giving you lots of pictures and lots of really cool interactive information that you can glean and get from this, okay? You can click to watch. There's a little video. You can make the video small. You can make the video large. There is a lot of really good and really cool information that you're getting from this particular little website. So today, we're only focusing on the timeline. And on the timeline, I basically, let's go ahead and click that back out. On that timeline, I basically just ask you to tell me what's going on in these specific times, okay? And if you look here, you can see what's going on, who was important. All you need to do is tell me about those things. That's your assignment. Tell me in 1950 to 1954, we had Chargaff's rule, we had Rosalind Franklin's DNA DNA X-ray diffraction. We had a bunch of different things. So that's what happens in that particular part. So now let's go back to our, where is it at? I guess I'm going to go back to Schoology here. So now we're going to go back to Schoology. If it allows me. Oh, come on. Come on. So now you're going to go back into your Schoology after you've looked at and each of those times and take those times and what people did in each one of those times. Come on. Let me go all the way back out. So you go to the online biology semester 2. And as I said, we're in week number 2. All right. And we started the part 1. The part 1 assignment is what we clicked. And each of these times, I'm just going to write down what happened. After that, I'm going to want you to answer some basic questions like what are the four chemical parts of DNA? What's DNA made of? Those type of things. You're going to answer those questions. Then the second part of this assignment, part two of that assignment, is complete this little worksheet that I have for you. It says DNA assignment 2, week 2. So you're going to complete that. This is part 2. So you're going to complete this and submit that. And last but not least, you're going to go in and take a quiz by the end of the week. There's a little quiz that I have lined up for you. Ooh, come on. This little quiz is lined up for you. Come on. Alrighty. In week number 2, and take that quiz. You'll get 3 chances to take it, and that's all. So those are the 3 parts of what you need to do. All of them are in the second week. So if you open up the second week, you will be able to see those 3 assignments. There's the timeline, which you're going to look at it, and there's lots of interactive stuff you can look at and write about. There's an actual worksheet, in which case you're going to expound on information that you learned from that timeline and information that you learned from the little PowerPoint or the section of reading, and a quiz that you're going to do. That is your assignment. Thank you.